like smooth. What? Can you teach me how to do?
I'll see you in a bit, my flower. I'll be here. Or not.
If me and my gang pull up, look, boy, you better get to running. We on your ass. Ain't nobody playing. If you fucking with the bat, you getting decapitated.
Fuck off, Janet. I'm not going to your fucking baby shower.
Shake your body, baby.
Wait, what? I did it. I don't know why I thought that would be satisfying, but here we are. Ew. Oh, what the heck? I can't open this thing. Oh, this actually looks so good. It kind of feels like you're slapping someone. I'm so happy it didn't go into my crotch like last time.
But I just wanna party with you. All night. Because you make me happy. That's right.
My grandparents are dead too. I don't complain about it. You just have to pray if you want. I love you too. You're so kind. Thank you. But keep quiet.
Hello, my friend. I wrote a song for my ex-boyfriend and it goes something like this. The fuck you!
What is it, baby? There's a monster in your closet? Well, what did it look like, darling Dewdrop? A Democrat? Ooh. All right, get up there. Nancy Pelosi is in our grand youngin's closet. Get the hell up and go get Nancy Pelosi out of our closet. And then I ain't gonna ask you to do nothing for the rest of neither one of our lives, you piece of crap. Come on, darling, I'll go get Nancy Pelosi out of your closet. Ugh. Baby, are there Legos in the floor? I don't want to step on one of them and hurt my foot. Oh, piss!
If me and my gang pull up, look, boy, you better get to running. We on your ass. Ain't nobody playing. If you fucking with the bat, you getting decapitated.
Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now. I've got you. And now that I've been struck by your electric love. Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Next up.
And respectfully. Oh, that's my shit. All the girls want to feel like.
There's a power in what you do. Now every other day I'm watching you. Oh.
Taste you and your boss sack. You like that? Ain't no kids after that. You like that?
You think this is funny? What if I told you I went into your house and ate your younger brother? Or I ate your entire family? Or while you were asleep too? That's how pigs feel every single day of every single week. This is not a joke. You may think it is a joke, but it's not. The next time you say that you're eating pigs, remember, if someone eats you or your family, you can't complain. You can't say anything. Anyways, have a good day.
I'm up on him, he up on me, don't pay him any attention. Just crying my tears, 3 good years, can't be mad at me. 'Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should've put a ring on it. Don't be mad at what you see that he wanted. 'Cause if you like it, then you should've put a ring on it.
So what do you guys do for fun around here? I don't know, sometimes we throw shit at Kevin. Who's Kevin? Kevin!
That was not me, bro. Man, you mad whack, looking like Shrek's wife. You like me? I ain't no simp. I stole in the ass, bro.
I'm not your toy, not your toy. You stupid boy, Mom, Dad, let's get one thing straight. I murdered the family dog.